with the question by Mr. Madzire, where he wants an explanation on what methods we are using to determine recoveries, which have been increasing in the past week. Let me say that in the Ministry of Health, we do have surveillance and also management teams which do follow up and undertake surveillance whenever we test and establish that people are positive. These surveillance teams are found at district, provincial, and at national level. This system is a system which on a weekly basis our command centers receive reports which they feed into the task force. So we are very satisfied that these teams and systems that we have put in place do provide these statistics which are checked, assessed, and also we ensure that the test kits are distributed at the district centers. All the data which is collected is what we provide to you on a weekly basis. The second issue is the shortage of test kits. Yes, there is a shortage of test kits. We have done already PCR and also rapid tests in the tune of more than 200,000 so far. We agree that we do have some serious shortage of these test kits, and I want to report with confidence that already 220 test kits are on order. We were informed yesterday at our ministerial meeting by the resource committee that already 20 million US dollars was released to the Ministry of Health, and we are hoping that with that injection, these are test kits which are already available on the local market, and we are confident that with the release of these test kits, we should see an increased activity in terms of testing kits. Let me also emphasize that we are expecting the Ministry of Higher Education to continue producing PPEs in terms of the masks, in terms of sanitizers, but also to emphasize that we are having much more sanitizers that are produced locally and much less of the face masks, particularly the 3-ply. But the good news is that a lot of research already has been done by our universities, and we are very happy that they are almost through with the production of the 3-ply masks, and also that they have embarked on serious research to produce swabs, the testing swabs, and we were briefed also that they are at an advanced stage. So the Ministry of Health is emphasizing on local production. That will also ensure that import substitution, which is now being prioritized, will see the day. So yes, we have these shortages in these areas, but government is making every effort. And I want to also say the private sector has come in handy. They are producing pharmaceuticals, much needed. So in terms of these shortages, we are hoping that the efforts that are being made by the new Minister of Health are going to pay dividend in the shortest time. But let me go back because the first question which was asked, perhaps I had not quite adequately responded in terms of the justification of the results that we have shared with you, which are giving a positive result. We are, as I indicated, that because of the very effective surveillance system that we have put in place, and also the case management system that we have put in place, we are regularly being fed with all the happenings at district and provincial level, and we are satisfied that little the testing is taking place. We are happy that the PCR test kits, although they are minimal, but there is also new technology which has been introduced, which is now giving instant results within an hour. And coming out of that result, if someone is posted positive, we are now in a position to be able, with the data that we collect, we follow up, we undertake the surveillance, and we are very happy with the results that we are getting, which match the number of testing that we are undertaking. I thank you.